An epic battle to end stage one. Take a look at this. Whoa! Wow! Wow! Chandler Smith with a save. I wasn't expecting that, but wow. That was wow. I'm impressed. That was intense. Wow.
Great save, though. That was amazing. Heck of a save.
It was amazing indeed. That was incredible.
How about Ross Chastain? We looked at each other during the caution and
the way Christian Eckes was driving, the manages to hold on to the position without spinning was incredible. Nice.
On the outside of Matt Craftsmen.
Things are looking good. But Zane Smith is looking good out there.
Fuel pressure problem, so he started in the back.
And there's Matty Bandero with Ty Majeski trying to take down the 38 Ford.
Zane Smith, Ty Majeski,
Ford versus Chevy. But Ford is going to get, win stage number one. Zane Smith takes it.
Stage number one.
Wow. That was good. Yeah, Raja Karuf did a pretty good job.
Stage win, that's the first this season so far.
So that's a little tribute to Wendell Scott. I really like his paint scheme.
First stage, and Zane Smith had a strong truck here.
Wow.
Won the season opener.
That is amazing. That was intense. Honestly, that's going to go in my best NASCAR moments. Take a look at the replay. Wow.
Look at Ben Rhodes tiptoeing behind him, making
beautiful.
Plenty of space.
That was beautiful. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm impressed.